Today I will tell you a small story. Tommy the tiny turtle. Once upon a time, there was a tiny turtle named Tommy. Tommy lived in a pond with many fishes, frogs and other turtles. But there was something special about Tommy. He had a big dream. Tommy wanted to climb the tall hill next to the pond. No turtle had ever climbed it before. They said it was too high for a turtle. Every morning, Tommy practiced climbing small rocks around pond. Many laughed and said, "Tommy Turtle, don't climb, stay in water." But Tommy believed in hard work. Every day, he practiced a little harder. He would slip and slide, but he always got back up and tried again. After many days of practice, Tommy felt ready. One sunny morning, he began to climb the tall hill. It was too hard. Sometimes he wanted to give up, but he reminded his old practice and kept going. Hours passed. The sun was setting and top of the hill was in set. One final push, Tommy reached to the top. From there, he could see the whole world, the pond, the forest, and even distant mountains. It was beautiful. Next day, all everyone cheered for Tommy. They realized that with hard work and determination, dreams can come true. So, Tommy the tiny turtle became a hero and an example for everyone in the pond. He proved that if you are small, with hard work, you can achieve big things. Thank you for listening my story. And remember, just like Tommy, believe in yourself and hard work to reach your dreams. Thank you.